Hi, this is Chris from Tata Xenon, 29 Meadow Ave, Tibbers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2014 Tata Xenon dual cab ute, stock reference number 4699. This shape runs from the first month 2010 through to the first month 2018. It has a 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, aftermarket Bocar alloy nudge bar with all fittings, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, right guard appears to have no damage, bonnet appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front door has a couple of small dents. We have the left-hand tail light, does have some light scratches. Unfortunately, not much on this right-hand side has survived the accident. We have a right-hand 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre, right power door mirror, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, handbrake lever, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, eclipse, sat nav, touchscreen head unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Tata Xenon, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.